Choose one story. Which one? Okay. What a bad dog and big bunch of flowers. Okay. We'll do this one first and then that one. You want to do that one? Okay. We'll do this one first and then that one. Okay. A big bunch of flowers. Bunch of flowers. This is M-U-M. Mom. This is for mom. This is daddy and that is
Sister. 나 이거.
Sister B.
너는? 나는 이거. 그래. 나 그냥 여기 중요할래. 나도.
Okay, story time. Ready?
좀 이따 걸리자.
Dad got flowers for mom. Yep.
여기 중에 저는요. 이게 제일.
You like those?
네, 저는 너는?
What about your clothing?
Apple.
It looks like an apple.
Boom. Apple.
Balloon apple.
야, 넌 꼴꼴로 나.
Balloon
아니 그냥 말했어.
apple. Oh, it's hard, eh? Oh, cactus. Sharp. Ow.
그럼 정인아, 넌 이게 좋니? 응. 얘는 그래.
He had a big bunch of flowers. Flowers for mom, he said. He put the flowers on the back of his bicycle. Riding on bicycles. Uh-oh, the flowers fell off. He doesn't see. Oh no. Dun dun dun. Dad was upset, sad. He lost the flowers. There's Wilma and Wilma's mommy. Wilma saw the flowers. Lost flowers, said her mom. She put them on a bin, trash bin.
Uh-oh.
Dad was in a rush, going fast. He doesn't see the flowers here. He went back to the flower shop. Here's the flower shop. He got a big bunch of flowers again. This one. Which one was it? This one has some red flowers. We don't see it here. Maybe it's that one?
아니요.
Mixed together.
여기 있다.
I don't see any red there. Anyway, he got a big bunch of flowers again. Huh? Dad saw his lost flowers. Well, he said. Flowers for mom, said Dad. 2 bunches of flowers. We'll put them all together, yellow and red. Mix them
난
up.
뭐가 제일 예뻐? 빨간. 랜드.
Mix them up, said Chip. Then we will have a big bunch. A really big bunch. An enormous bunch. Enormous means really big. An enormous bunch, said Mom. Thank you. Happy 10th anniversary. Wedding anniversary. You know wedding? Cool. Happy wedding anniversary. 10 years. Okay, let's look at it one more time with the pictures this time. Actually, we'll do the next story, then come back with the pictures of mom.
언니
Red noses. Red noses.
케찹 바른 거야. 응, 맞아.
Mom had a,
엄마의 부엉을 바른 것 같은데. 응, 맞아.
Ready? Okay. Mom had a posh dress on. Posh means special, beautiful, pretty.
근데 얼굴은 뭐지?
She's putting powder on her face. Makeup. She was going out. Dad had lots of jobs to do.
난 케찹 같아.
Mom went off.
이거
There's
물감이네.
their car is here. Her mom's car is here. She's putting the purse on the car, saying goodbye to Kipper. Chip got the paints out. Dad's putting plates on. Ooh, a painting. Who's that? I think that's Mommy. Here's the dog Floppy. And that looks like Mommy again. The red paint pot fell over. Uh-oh. It's not red, eh? It's actually orange, but anyway. Red paint ran to Floppy. Oh, now Floppy's got a red nose. Floppy has a red nose, said Chip. Dad put a dab of red paint on Chip's nose. Doink. Now we have 2 red noses. Kipper has a red nose, said Dad. Dad went to dab paint on Biff's nose. Do you think they can put red paint on her nose? Yes or no?
No.
Let's see. Oh, she's running away. Oh no, you will not get me, said Biff. Dad ran to get her. Biff ran and ran. I will get you, said Dad. Oh no. Splat. Mom had a red nose. Dad had a red face. She's not got a red nose. How many red noses in this picture?
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's right.
아빠랑 얘는 다행이다, 그치? 얘가 다행이다, 그치?
Okay, let's look at the pictures in this one. Just the pictures. Okay.
왜?
You'll see. Okay, so here's the flower shop.
아니 이거 봤잖아요.
Wait, you'll see. Sit. It's okay. Sit up.
찍찍.
Paintbrush, yeah.
아 잠깐만 좀.
You're painting your nose with shampoo.
난 코피만 돼.
Nose blood. Okay, ready? One more time with pictures. So here we have lots of bunches of flowers, and Dad is taking one bunch of flowers. Here's the. Just a moment. No. You can use it, but don't make strange sounds.
No.
You want to, your pointer? Your pointer? Your pointer? You have a pointer, Lily? No pointer. Okay. You can use this as a pointer if you want. You want to use it? No? Okay. Okay.
저 이걸로 할 거예요.
Shopkeeper. Oh, you do have a pointer. Your paintbrush. Balloon hearts. Do you think they are balloon hearts or balloon apples?
Oh.
Balloon apples. Okay, let's say balloon apples. I'll just say balloons. So balloons and a credit card. A bunch of flowers. A shopkeeper. Ready? Point to the shopkeeper. Yep. Okay. Point to the balloons. Yep. And Dad's bunch of flowers. Yes. Good. Thanks. Dad's putting the bunch of flowers on the back of the bicycle. Who is he with? He's with Chip. So, oh no, it's not Chip, it's Biff. Biff is the girl. So they're riding their bicycles, but dun dun dun, the flowers have fallen onto the road. I can see candy on the road too. Can you see the candy on the road? Yep. Okay, now, well, there's a note in the flower. What's that?
Cat.
Another, it looks like a dice.
혹시
A die.
하루이니까?
A die. You know die? Roll the die. 주사위? Die? Do they see the bunch of flowers? No. Now they're home. Something is gone. What is gone? The bunch of flowers is gone. Oh no. Can you see Chip and Kipper? Chip and Kipper there. Yeah. This is Biff, that's Kipper, that's Chip. What will Dad do next? Will he go back to the shop? Yeah. Oh, hang on, not yet. Oh, there's Wilma. What does Wilma see? She sees the bunch of flowers. What does Wilma's mommy do? She puts the flowers on a bin, a trash bin. Oh, now Dad is in a rush. Fast. He's going back to the, where? The flower shop. I can see a man's head. Who's that? Is that Lily? No. This man's losing his head. There are a lot of dogs here. Oh no, just two dogs, right? Okay, now he's back at the flower shop. He's buying another bunch of flowers. Here's our shopkeeper. When he comes home, he sees the flowers on a bin. What? I missed them before. Now I've got 2 bunches of flowers. 2 bunches of flowers for Mom, says Dad. Now they put them together, yellow flowers and red flowers, into one enormous bunch. Enormous is really big. Mommy comes home. Here, Mommy. And she says, thank you. The end. Okay.
이것도 한 개 더 봐요.
Okay, this one's pictures. Okay. Ready?
네?
Mommy's looking in a mirror. Mommy's putting powder on her face. Farting. Armpit fart.
아니 그건 아니야.
That's a clapping sound. Sounds like a. I can do it with my hand. Let's see. Ooh. I have a big hand. Big hand.
난 잘해서 안 돼.
If you get water and soap, you might be able to do it. They are all watching Mommy put on makeup. Okay, now Mommy will go out. Daddy will go out? No. Daddy and children will stay at home. What's this list? Oh, he needs to do many things at home. Goodbye, Kipper. Where's Mommy's bag?
Here.
Yeah. Goodbye. Is this, who's this? Is this Wilma's mom? Is this the same woman that we saw here? You find her, Claudine. Is she in there? Is that her? I think so. Yeah. It's Wilma's mommy.
옷 갈아입는 거야.
Changed her clothes. Changed clothes. So she's got an orange car, they have a green car. Okay, next page. Setting up. Lily, turn the page. Oh, so they're getting paints out. Painting time. Okay. Kipper is, oh, he's trying to get red paint. Why does he want red paint? Anyway, he knocks over the red paint. And Floppy's right here. What will happen? Red paint will go onto Floppy's nose.
강아지 코에 물감 묻으면 코 안에 들어가면 나중에 죽을 수도 있어요.
If a puppy has runny nose, it might die.
Yeah.
Oh. Paintbrush. Lily's paintbrush.
아니 봐봐요.
Get some red paint. Ah, you put red on Mommy. A Mommy painting. Angry. Floppy has a red nose, said Chip. Oh, Dad's getting some paper towels. Will he wipe it? No, he won't wipe it. He's just going to paint on Chip's nose. Kipper thinks it's funny. Ha ha. And Floppy's laughing too. Ha ha. He's very surprised. Surprised. Huh? Surprised. So Kipper's laughing, ha 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 ha, and then suddenly, and now he's laughing, ha ha ha. She's ready. She's going to run away. Oh!
No, I did.
Chip is like, hi Biff, come here Biff, we want to see you. She's running away. Out the door, outside. Can you see the cat? Watching them. There's even a ball, soccer ball. Which way will she run? Straight and then what? Around the corner?
Yeah.
Yeah.
엄마가.
Oh, Mommy's coming back to get her bag, her purse. She gets her purse and splat. So Dad did not get Biff, he got Mommy. Oops. Oh, she looks like a boy, right? Her face is like a boy
어제
face.
우리 엄마 생일이었는데. 뭐죠?
Girl's face? Boy's face. Mommy looks angry. Mommy had a red nose, Daddy had a red face.
괜찮아.
She's happy. Happy.
Happy.
Happy but shy.
No. Wow.
He's embarrassed. You know
Wow.
embarrassed? Chimpy. Embarrassed. Oh, chimpy. Embarrassed.
이거 비는데 너무 냄새가 꼬리꼬리해.
So smell. Sitting on the mat. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wrong
No.
name quiz. Wrong name quiz. Ready?
아니요. 잠깐만.
Putting some makeup on me. Thank you.